This 2018 Dodge Durango is brought to you by Next Step Auto Sales, LC, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Dodge is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 3.6-liter engine, and has 94,235 miles. Unleash adventure with a certified 2018 Dodge Durango, powerful, spacious, and ready for anything. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.